Hi, welcome to the Grow Plan. Let me walk you through some of the features that you've just unlocked. You can now add up to 3 staff members and book 300 appointments per month. But that's not all. You can edit the URL to your booking page to your business name. Just head over to Online Booking and then click on Booking Page. Under Messaging and Customer Preferences, you can edit the content of your email and text messages, and you can also add different messages for different services. Along with customer text reminders, you can also send staff reminders. Just go to Messaging and Staff Preferences. With the Grow Plan, you can also follow up with customers via SMS on any appointment. You can set up a custom subdomain too. These are a few of the features that come with the Grow Plan. However, you also have the option to send email campaigns, take payments on booking, add locations. You can also sync your calendars, add rooms, set up your availability and services, etc. If you need help, take a look at our help pages right here, or click the blue icon to contact us. Happy bookings!